So, how do you turn off direct messages on Discord Mobile? So to start off, let's open up the Discord application. Now here, you just need to head over to your profile and go to the top right on the settings. Now here, we just need to click on privacy and safety. Now we just need to scroll down until we see the direct messages. So for the first one, so the DM spam filter, you could just filter all direct messages. And for server privacy defaults, allow direct messages from server members. You need to turn that off if you want to turn off your direct messages. And that's pretty much it. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.